This is an Ingersoll Junior, and I think it's for, around 1930. And what we need to do is we need to it's wound, so we need to unwind it so that we can work on it. Now the way you do this, okay, this is the front, okay, and the of the watch, and what we're going to do is we're going to just twist it just a little bit slightly, and open this up like that, and then slowly unwind it like that. See, so you push it in, and then that releases the tension, and you unwind it. Then it locks again. So because obviously your fingers, you can't let it go. So hold it, push in, wind it. I mean, release it, and then slowly go back, and then it's going to lock in again. So you wind a little bit, push it up to release it, and then unwind it. Yeah, and you have to do this until it's fully unwound, okay? And that's what you want to do. Is you don't want to go crazy taking or moving anything, unscrewing anything, unless you first unwind it. So go like this, and then slowly release it, and go in like this, slowly release some more until you completely unwind it. And I can feel the tension on that spring as I'm going back. So forward, go up, go like that. Forward, go up, slowly, don't let it go. Pull like that. So you go wind a little bit, release the tension on that gear, and then back. And then you do not ever want to mess with these things with it fully wound or wound any at all. So you want that spring to be completely with no spring in it. Okay, like so. And see, and I can feel the tension. Actually, he wants to let go. so you push it in, release the tension on the little lever there, and go. Again, this is they're not all the same, but they all have this holding the spring. Okay, so you push it in, and again, this is an Ingersoll Junior, and some have bigger levers. Obviously, this is a tiny one, but you just keep wow, this thing is completely fully wound. Anyway, it's going to take me a while. I'll take you to the end. So it's getting really loose here. See, see, it's completely unwound. Look at this, see? Watch. When you start hearing, see? It's completely unwound. See, I can go like this, and there's absolutely no tension on there. And so we have it unwound. And that's all you have to do. You can't have anything you know, any tension at all in that spring. Otherwise, you're going to start breaking some parts. But when you start hearing this gear, hear some twisting over here, then you know. See? Okay, so. See, that's it. Okay, so we're all done. I can go like this. There's absolutely no tension. But that's what you have to do with these watches. You have to fully unwind it before you take anything apart. That tension will ruin parts in there. I mean, they're very sensitive parts. There's some sensitive parts, and it'll completely ruin it.